Welcome to Fund Money. Here we're discussing some of the danger signals that you're heading for a debt trap. That's right, you're getting into a mess where uh, you're all set to get towards a mess, or you're already in a mess where prepaying your loans is a problem. Typically, what happens is when you borrow, you take a loan of any kind, which could be a credit card included. You typically pay the principal and the interest amount, but over a period of time, a debt trap is a situation where over a period of time, instead of your principal amount decreasing, the principal amount that you're taking, typically what you're repaying is a mix of both principal and interest, but the principal amount, instead of reducing, it's either remaining the same, or it's actually along with the interest, the outstanding amount is actually going up. What basically is happening, the burden is increasing, the fixed expenses are increasing, and that's a debt trap. Are there telltale signs that you could be heading for a debt trap, or you're in a debt trap? Yes, there are, and we're going to be giving you some of those symptoms of this disease. And the reason why it's important is, if you get to know about them, you can do something about them, fix the whole situation before things can become really bad. So we'll come up with some of these indications, the details, that's coming on the other side. Do wait for a little while longer. Welcome back. Welcome to Fund Money. We are discussing the danger signals that you might be heading for a debt trap. So, as we mentioned, in a debt trap, what typically is happening is the outstanding amount keeps getting more and more, and you're finding it difficult. People find it difficult to repay. Typically, it's happening because something has happened in terms of their income. There could be a crisis. They borrowed, and they probably thought the interest amount was not. They could manage the high interest amount, high interest rate, but then it became a problem. So it could be any reason, but basically what's happening is repaying the loan or repaying the outstanding amount or obligation is becoming a problem. So what are the danger signals? So number one is when you exhaust your credit card limits, borrowing limit, that is a typical sign that you are heading towards a debt trap, or probably have already gone for it. Also, if you're withdrawing a lot of cash from your credit card, that's high cost debt, as we know. That's the highest possible cost debt or loan, high interest loan. So that is a sure short sign that things are not good and you're heading towards a debt trap. The next thing that you need to keep in mind is, next danger signal is, you applied for a loan and it got rejected because of credit score. That is typically because your uh, uh, um, your credit worthiness has come into question. You're not being able to pay up on time. Maybe if there's been a problem somewhere, and that brings us to the next symptom, which is linked to this symptom, which is basically you default on a loan. Default. You miss an EMI, you couldn't pay because you didn't have the money or whatever, and that is again a sign that you're heading towards a debt trap. Your credit score has gone down simply because you defaulted on a loan, you defaulted on the day you were supposed to pay an EMI or something else. So that's another indication. The other thing is that you're always paying a minimum amount. If you're continuously paying a minimum amount for credit card payment, that means you don't have your wherewithal to repay is going down. So that is another telltale sign that you're heading for trouble, you're heading for a debt trap, right? Also, if this is the state of affairs, don't be surprised if such people don't have regular savings. So if you're not being able to save regularly, and most of the things are going, most of your money is going in paying off credit card and other debt, EMIs, then you're heading for a debt trap. There are thumb rules. Thumb rules are this: that if it's more than 50% of your take-home income is going in paying EMIs, then you're heading for a debt trap. 70% or more of are fixed expenses. So not only are you paying EMIs, but there are fixed expenses. Of all of it is going in paying EMIs or fixed expenses, that means you're heading for trouble, because there are also expenses which are not fixed. It will suddenly come. It could be a travel, it could be anything. So nothing is getting left, and no wonder you're not saving. So basically, we mentioned about savings not happening. This is the reason why savings is not happening, because these two things are there, and these are the thumb rules that you need to keep in mind. Apart from that, one of the reasons, an associated reason, is having too many loans. You have too many loans, you have too many EMIs. As a result, the sum of the EMIs that you have is more than 50% of your take home. That's again is another reason or another signal that you're heading for a debt trap. So as you would be seeing that all of them are very closely related. They are all as if they are different sides of a building or a coin, if you will. And so next part is also when you actually borrowing to meet your regular expenses, because your some of these things have become so bad that it's gone beyond 70%. Even 100% of your income is not sufficient for you to unfortunately cover your fixed expenses. So you're actually borrowing to meet your fixed expenses. You could now, since EMIs are a fixed expense, so you might also be borrowing to meet your EMIs. So if you're borrowing to repay whatever you borrowed, then that is absolutely a danger sign. You are dead inside a debt trap. You will need to do quite a few things to fix things. That is not, such a situation is not sustainable. So we have talked about defaulting on loan repayments. Also, typically, if you're in a debt trap, your expenses, quite a few of the expenses are based on future income. So if you're all the time thinking that okay, I'm going to spend because I'm going to earn this much, then you possibly in a debt trap. So these are some of the symptoms, some of the danger signals that you need to be aware of, and you need to take action before things become really messy. And they do become messy if you don't attend to them. It's like a wound, or it's like a illness. If you don't fix it, things get bad. I'm sure you would find these this discussion useful. You would use some of these signals that we have mentioned as as indicators to fix your finances. And if you like this discussion, hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel, and get linked with us on all leading social media networks. Till the next time, take very good care of yourself, and goodbye.